Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the split command that breaks files into pieces and gives the pieces sequential names. As an example, we'll take a large file and split it using the default settings. Of course, looking at this, we can't see that anything was done. On the other hand, if we want to list our files in age order, newest, last, we'll just look at the end of that listing, we can see that a number of files were just created. What's happened here is that the split command has broken the content of my big file into a large number of 1,000-line files while leaving the original file intact, and it gave these files names like XAA and XFT. Now, if you prefer to see what the command is doing, you can run it with a verbose option like this. Now we're going to see something happening. It created all of those files. You can also elect to split files into pieces based on the number of lines, the size in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, etc., just by specifying the size and splitting criteria. And we'll do that here. Here we're going to say we want to split the file in 25,000 line pieces, and that we're going to give the resultant files a prefix. So we're going to call them big file dot and then the letters. So do that, and now we've created 7 fairly large files, and we've given them the prefix and dot followed by the 2 letters. That is your Linux tip for the split command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.